When you use a standard AI coding assistant or chat wrapper, you are interacting with a stateless system. Every time you send a prompt, the application packages up your recent messages, sends an isolated API call to a server, and waits for a reply. Because these systems operate as independent, episodic events, their slates are wiped clean after every turn. You cannot assign a multi-day engineering task to a system that forgets it exists the moment it finishes typing. To solve this problem of statelessness, the team at Nous Research built Hermes Agent, an architecture designed specifically to maintain state across sessions. The design goal shifts artificial intelligence away from episodic text generation and toward continuous procedural memory. Instead of running only when you have a browser tab open, Hermes is engineered to operate 24/7 on a $5 virtual private server. It maintains its operational context in the background, whether you are speaking to it on Telegram, Discord, or the command line. On the left is the standard linear loop. A user prompts and the model responds. On the right is the Hermes self-feeding loop. The agent evaluates, schedules, and executes operations autonomously. As it runs, it learns, writing and storing reusable tools after completing complex tasks. Hermes functions as a persistent operating system built to execute logic indefinitely. The amnesia problem extends to how AI interacts with your computer. Standard coding copilots spawn a fresh shell for every single command. They run a script, close the shell, and immediately drop all the environment variables they just set up. This schematic illustrates the Hermes solution. It maintains a single, uninterrupted bash process for the duration of the entire session. If the agent activates a Python virtual environment during its first step, that environment remains active for every subsequent command. It does not have to reinitialize its workspace. If it navigates 3 folders deep into a project repository, it stays there. The agent maintains its physical orientation within the file system across hundreds of tool calls. To do this safely, Hermes utilizes a container isolation backend. By running this persistent shell in Docker, it ensures the agent's long-lived state cannot compromise the host operating system. True autonomous agent behavior requires this kind of environmental permanence. This physical orientation within a file system is distinct from an LLM simply remembering text in a prompt window. You cannot simply feed an entire project's history into a system prompt. Eventually, you hit token exhaustion limits, the API rejects the call, and the agent crashes. This logic model breaks down the solution, a 2-tier memory architecture, starting with Tier 1, the persistent memory layer. Tier 1 consists of local markdown files. The agent autonomously curates key facts, preferences, and project details, and injects up to 800 tokens of this highly compressed context into every single prompt. On the right is Tier 2, an SQL-Lite database acting as an archival vault. Every conversation from every platform is stored here indefinitely. When the agent needs historical context that isn't in its active memory, it uses an FTS5 full-text search mechanism. It queries this vast database to extract exactly what it needs from a conversation that happened weeks ago. Instead of dumping that entire historical chat into the prompt, an auxiliary fast LLM reads the result, summarizes the specific answer, and feeds that distilled data point back to the primary agent. These tiers are managed automatically via memory nudges. Hermes periodically evaluates its own context window and transfers valuable insights into permanent storage. It also integrates Honcho, a dialectic user modeling system. As you interact with Hermes across Telegram, Slack, or the terminal, Honcho builds a deepening profile of your working style and corrections. Splitting memory into always-on injection and archival retrieval prevents the context window from suffocating under its own weight. Maintaining a clean context window is the primary challenge for an autonomous agent running unattended for days. Every tool call and response eats into the token limit. This gauge represents the dual-layer context compression system. When the active context hits 85% capacity, a gateway pre-compression trigger fires, squeezing the data before it reaches the model. If it continues to fill, a secondary 50. This token economy is why Hermes handles third-party integrations differently. The model context protocol allows agents to connect to external servers, but every loaded MCP tool continuously consumes passive tokens in the system prompt. To avoid this protocol bloat, Hermes relies on skills. Skills offload procedural logic away from the prompt and directly into the persistent CLI shell. After solving a complex task, Hermes autonomously writes a reusable Python or Bash procedure, saves it to a local directory, and maps it to a simple command. These skills execute an active self-improvement loop. If the agent runs an existing skill and discovers a more efficient execution path, it opens the local file and rewrites its own skill definition. Shifting complex capabilities away from prompt-heavy protocols and into procedural CLI skills enables infinite horizon execution. The agent gains capabilities without losing memory space. When executing complex engineering requirements, processing everything sequentially is slow, while processing everything in one context window is too heavy. You have to parallelize the work. This tree structure diagrams the architectural solution. Hermes spawns completely isolated sub-agents to handle specific, parallelized workloads. One agent writes the spec, one researches the database schema, and one provisions the environment. The critical engineering constraint that makes this work is absolute context isolation. The child agents process massive amounts of raw data, but none of it crosses the barrier back to the parent. The parent agent only ever receives execution metadata and a distilled final summary. It never sees the child's full token stream. This strict architectural barrier prevents context poisoning. The parent can orchestrate dozens of token-heavy subtasks without exhausting its own primary prompt. Scaling agentic capabilities requires strict compartmentalization of token streams, rather than simply relying on larger underlying models. While Hermes excels at personal engineering tasks, its architecture serves a broader machine learning research objective for Nous Research. The architecture includes a direct integration with Atropos, a reinforcement learning framework built specifically for model trainers. In the background of daily user tasks, Hermes operates as an on-policy distillation engine. It automatically generates, compresses, and exports batch training trajectories based on its most successful tool calls and problem-solving paths. These exported trajectories create a closed training cycle. Nous Research uses this data to train better open-weight models, which are then slotted back into Hermes. This architecture ensures the deployed agent is simultaneously the end product and the training ground for the next AI frontier.